Okay, and I'm back. If you were just with me a few seconds ago, you will notice the catastrophe that happened. I was about ready to hop over here and explain what was going on this side. Alright, so what had happened was, Chase and I, at the last minute when we were building this, decided to rearrange some pieces. So it's actually not, glued together right now. As you can see, you got the purple right here. That's actually glued together. The top piece is glued together. That's glued together. This, however, is not. So it's all free floating right now, and I had it working just fine. I have my wife actually standing back there right now holding it up. Thank her. But yeah, as you can see, the water splashed everywhere. I had to stop the video real quick. And anyways, not important. What I was going to show you was the flow rate. Right now I have the ball valve about a quarter of the way closed, alright? Back to what I was saying about the Lifeguard Quiet 1 4000. I have it set on the lowest possible setting. That means if you don't move the dial at all and you just plug it in, alright, that is the setting it's sucking on right now. Any setting than that, with the ball valve completely open, it sucks up too fast, alright? This is a 30-gallon sump, just so you know, FYI, if you plan on doing this sort of type of build. Alright, so the lowest setting possible, that is more than enough for this setup, okay? Obviously I just lost some water right now because I lost some of the flow, but it is holding steady. I know it's kind of hard to see right now, but the water level is holding steady. There's equal amounts of water being sucked up and being deposited at the same time, okay? Obviously, like I said, I decided a hard pipe over here where this flex hose is going, so this leak right here isn't going to be here, and all that noise isn't going to be there also because, again, we made minor changes at the last minute. That end piece is actually supposed to go all the way down in the bottom, so you're not going to hear the splash or anything like that, which, again, for all intents and purposes, I don't really mind right now since I'm just testing out the tank. The main purpose of the tank was to make sure, for this test, was to make sure the sump doesn't leak and the 90-gallon doesn't leak, which I don't see anything happening to it right now, which is a good thing. And to see if the stand is holding up. Alright, I'm probably going to shut this off in a little while, obviously, because I don't want this to keep dripping, and I don't want my wife to stand here for 12 hours holding a pipe. So I'll let you know what happens. The flow rates are working perfectly fine, and I'm just going to let this tank sit here and do its own thing for the next 12 hours or so, preferably 24 if the weather's nice. Tomorrow I'll just leave it outside overnight and we'll check up with it again tomorrow. Thanks for viewing, guys.